Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will be showing you how to change your wallpaper in Windows 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on where your wallpaper is, click on personalize, and you can see right now my background is set to picture, and I can just click on these few built-in wallpapers. So you can see when I click on it, it changes. Click on this one, again it changes. But if I want a picture, a custom picture, like what I have right now, I can click on browse and I can find a picture that I like. So I have one on desktop, this one, and now I have this custom wallpaper. So you can just download any image that you want and set it as your background. You can also change your lock screen. So I currently have this as my lock screen. I can also change to some of the presets, or again go to browse and choose an image. So yeah, this is just a quick video to show you how to change the wallpaper of your computer. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.